Good morning, kids. I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. So kids, as you all know, our today's video is based on the chapter 8, Reaching Grandmother's House. Now kids, as you all know that previously we are studying about the journey of a girl named Omana. Now kids, as you all know that we were studying about the journey of a girl named Omana who has taken her journey from the state Gujarat to Kerala. Yes, Gujarat to Kerala, and Gujarat is a state. And Kerala is also a state. Now, from which place in Gujarat she has taken her train from? Called Gandhidham. And where she was going? She was going to Kerala. And where in Kerala? She was going to Kottayam. Yes, she was going to Kottayam. See kids, in our previous lessons, in lesson number 6 and in lesson number 7, we have studied about Omana's journey. And still in chapter 8 also, we will continue with the same. Now kids, you can see in the map also, Kottayam in Kerala. Now in the journey from Gujarat to Kerala, Omana has gone through various bridges. You can see various bridges, various tunnels she has gone through, and there was a very adventurous journey for Omana. Now kids, you can see in India's map, in between Gujarat and Kerala, which 3 states are there? First of all, Maharashtra. You can see Maharashtra. Second is Goa. Yes, and the third is Karnataka. This means that Omana has gone through these 3 states to reach Kerala. Now, in this train journey, Omana has gone through various stations. As you can see here in this picture, she has gone through, the first station is Gandhidham, then Ahmedabad, then after Ahmedabad there is Valsad, and then Madgaon and many more down. See kids, Gandhidham, Ahmedabad and Valsad belongs to Gujarat. Yes, these 3 stations are in Gujarat only. They are in Gujarat. And the Madgaon station is in Goa. And as we have studied in chapter 7, that Goa has a very pleasant weather. Yes, cold breeze, green fields and hills. Now kids, I hope you remember that there were 2 kids also. Yes, the 2 kids were Sunil and Ann. These 2 became the best friends of Omana. Yes, and they both were going to Kozhikode. Kozhikode is also in Kerala, as you can see in the map kids. Yes, and they both were going to Kozhikode, and from both these kids, the Sunil has become the best friend of Omana. Now kids, the last topic which we recall is Valiyamma and Amumamma. As you can see here, how clearly I have written. See, Valiyamma, it is a language, Malayalam. Yes, in Malayalam, the mother's elder sister is called Valiyamma, and mother's mother is called Amumamma. Yes, you can see in the picture, kids. So, as we have studied in our previous video that Omana went to Valiyamma's house because it was too late and they have reached Kerala very late. Now finally, after a long train journey, Omana reached Kottayam, which is in Kerala, and her Valiyamma's house is not too far from the station. So they have taken two auto rickshaws. You can see auto rickshaws. Two auto rickshaws to Valiyamma's house, and she was so tired that she even not bother about eating. Yes, what she has done, she has taken bath and she slept. Who? Omana. Yes, she has taken bath and she slept, and she didn't eat anything. Now Omana's family have to reach Amumamma's house. So what they did, they woke up, they got ready, took their luggage and went to bus stand. Now Valiyamma's family was also came with Omana's family, and together they were 10 people. Yes, and they have a lot of luggage with them. Now kids, as you know that inside the bus a man is there or woman who used to collect the tickets, and that is called bus conductor. Yes, a bus conductor used to collect the tickets. So there was a bus conductor and Omana's Appa. Now, who is Appa? In Malayalam, we call father as Appa. Yes, in Malayalam, we call father as Appa. So, Omana's father collect the ticket from the bus conductor. Now, finally, Omana and her family and Valiyamma's family also managed to get the seats. They got the ticket, and slowly the bus started getting crowded, and after some time the people started sharing the seats, and the same Omana and her family also did. Now after a long ride, the bus reached the last stop, and Omana was very happy to get off. But as you know that Omana has done a long journey. Yes. So she was happy to get off, but her legs were stiff and she could hardly stand. Now finally Omana thought that she had reached to Amumamma's village. But no, still the journey had not yet ended. Now the bus had dropped them to the water side, and what Amma said. Now who is Amma? Amma is the mother of Omana. Yes, in Malayalam we used to call Amma. We used to call mother as Amma. So what Amma said to Omana? Amma pointed out to the riverside. Yes, she pointed out to the riverside, means to the water, and she said that there we have to go. But that was a water body, and Omana thought in her mind that how we will go through this water body, and she wondered. Now kids, as you can see that the journey had not ended yet. Still Omana has to cross many places to reach Amumamma's village, or you can say Amumamma's house. So in our next video we will study about the rest of the Omana journey, which is there in chapter 8 only, and with that we will complete our chapter 8 and Omana's journey also. So kids, after this you know that your activity corner is there. So kids, complete your activities in your book from this activity corner.
Page number 62. First question. Omana travelled by different kinds of transport after she got down from the train. Can you remember what these were? Omana travelled by ferry, bus and auto rickshaw after she got down from the train. Second, on which vehicles have you travelled? I have travelled by train, bus, tonga, boat, bicycle, car, metro, scooty, etc. Kids, in this question, you can change the answer according to your choice. Third, which ride did you enjoy the most? Why? I enjoyed the train ride the most. Fourth, Omana left Ahmedabad on 16th May. How many hours did it take for her to reach Ammu Mamma's place? It took 36 hours for her to reach Ammu Mamma's place. Next question. Have you ever been on a long journey? Where did you go? Yes, I went from my hometown to Delhi. Kids, in this question, again you can change the answer according to your journey. Name the different kinds of transport that you used during the journey. I used auto rickshaw, train and taxi. Now page number 63. How long did your journey take? My journey took more than 15 hours long. Next question. Omana's appa bought tickets for the train and the bus. Can you think of other means of transport for which we need to buy tickets? We need to buy tickets for air journey, steamers and metro rail. Next, sometimes we need to buy tickets to enter a place. Can you think of such places? It's cinema hall, circus, zoo, etc. Now kids, in next question, you have to see this railway ticket and you have to write the information related to this ticket. The first is the train number. It's 9037. Next, date of the start of the journey. It's 24/12/2006. The berth 21, 22, 23 and the coach number is A1. The fare means the cost of the ticket is rupees 2578. And the last, the distance in kilometer is 643 kilometer or 643 kilometer.